Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of IDFC First Bank Wealth Credit Card. I got this credit card as a lifetime free. This is how the card comes. Let's open the cover. The front side of the package looks like this and the back looks like this. Let's open the seal. Here they have mentioned the welcome benefits of this credit card. You choose the 500 rupees gift voucher. You need to install the IDFC First Bank mobile app. From there you can control your credit card transactions, like you can enable or disable the online transactions. Here you can see the IDFC First Bank credit card. This is how the card front side looks. First Wealth, your name and IDFC First Bank family. It's a Visa Infinite credit card. On the back there is a sticker on how to activate this credit card. The back side of the card looks like this. Inside you will get a small paper like this where they have clearly mentioned the credit card number, customer ID and the credit limit on your credit card. I got a credit limit of 10 lakhs. Here you can see that. Since it's a lifetime free Visa Infinite credit card, I applied for IDFC First Bank Wealth credit card. If you want to apply, I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. IDFC Wealth credit card is a plastic credit card. Though it is plastic, the quality is good compared to other credit cards. So that's it guys, it is a short unboxing video of IDFC First Bank Wealth credit card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.